Hello everybody, hope you're all having a fantastic day today. So today we're going to go over ands and ors. Now there's bitwise and bitwise or, which does something on a logic level in binary, but we're not going to get into that. We're going to do and ors as far as logic goes. Okay, and by logic I mean if we said if it was raining and it was cloudy, then it must be thunderstorming. Okay, see how we use if it was raining and if it was cloudy? It was like two parts. That's what I mean. Or what if I said if it was raining or it was snowing, I should wear a hat. That's what we're going at here. So to do that, I'm going to just use numbers, and this will be a quick video just to show you guys, because once you guys work with this, it'll be like, oh, okay, that makes sense. We're going to keep with these numbers that we used in the last video even, okay? But let's add another one. var1 is 5, var2 3, var3 is 7. Okay, if var1 is greater than var2 and ampersands are used for and, we use two of them at once, var2 is less than var3. Now this will hold a truth value. Is this true? Is var1 greater than var2? Yes, it is. Is var2 less than var3? Yes, it is as well. Were the two parts surrounding this true? This was true, this was true? Yes, it will. So it will run this statement. Just do statement 1 was ran. Okay. And then we'll do else, see how statement 2 was ran. Let's go ahead and run this. Statement 1 was ran. Now let's change something up. Let's make this a 9. Is var1 greater than var2? Nope. Is var2 less than var3? No. So it'll run this statement. Both sides of an AND statement have to be true for the whole expression to be true. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this a 6 now. var1 5, var2 6, var3 7. Is var1 greater than var2? No. Is var2 less than var3? Yes. But this statement will still be false because in an AND statement both have to be true. So we'll see that statement 2 was ran. Now what if I said or? We use shift, the key just above your enter sign, enter key. We hold shift and then we get the vertical bars, absolute value some people call it pipes. If we said is var1 greater than var2? No. Is var2 less than var3? Yes. Is either one of the things surrounding this true? Yes, it is. One of the two was true. So we get statement 1 was ran. So that's how we can expand our usage of if statements, by having it check many things at once. To kind of put this into thought of more practical, if you guys think of maybe tic-tac-toe, right? When you have, 3 in a row, is this equal to this, and is this equal to this? Well, if it was so, and these were on the same row, then you have 3 in a row. Get what I'm saying? But all 3 have to be true. So you do, is this equal to that? Yep. Is this equal to that? Yep. Okay, all of them must be true. You've got 3 in a row. Tell the output that they've won. So that's an example where ands are very useful. So hopefully that enlightens you guys up on more ideas where you can use if statements, because it's definitely used a lot. especially throughout the college courses you're taking when you're still using the console. It'll be used in most of the projects and codes you use. In most of the project will also be if made up of if statements as well. So definitely get a handle of this, get comfortable with it. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any questions. See ya.